My name is Rain Rivera, and we live in the city of Fountain, Colorado.
We had filtered water, but I did not like it. It just didn't taste any good. And just buying expensive water bottles and stuff, I just didn't want to do that anymore.
And all this bad chemicals coming into the city, that's what made me decide to go ahead and put the system in the house, because I had me, my wife, my daughter, my animals, and I wanted to make sure that that does not affect us getting sick.
Tastes really good, very smooth. The body when we shower, it's so soft. My husband has a coworker that has been wanting.
Oh yeah, she wants me to even bring her bottles here so I can fill the water and give it to her, so she don't have to buy a bottle of water. So she's actually enjoying the actual same thing. I'm giving her like free water.